Welcome. Today in front of me OPPO Reno5 Lite, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings, and here you'll see the sound and vibration section. Just go there, and as can you see, we got here the ringtone section. Just to change your ringtone volume, swipe with your finger to the left or to the right side. Also we got this second way, just here on the right side of your phone you got the volume buttons. Just by pressing on the up or to the volume to the down volume button, you can adjust your ringtone volume. And also you can just tap here on the two dots and with the finger swipe to the up or to the down, and you can also change your ringtone volume. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.